Hello, foodies and grape enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are about to embark on a flavorful journey through the world of grapes. These tiny little fruits pack a big punch when it comes to taste and health benefits. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our delicious content. The grapevine introduction. Grapes, nature's candy, have been enjoyed for centuries. They come in a variety of colors and flavors, and they're not just sweet, they're also incredibly versatile. Grape varieties. First, let's talk about the different grape varieties out there. From the sweet and juicy red grapes to the crisp and refreshing green grapes, each type has its unique flavor profile. Health benefits. But it's not just about taste, grapes are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can benefit your health in numerous ways. Cooking with grapes. Now, let's get creative in the kitchen. Grapes aren't just for snacking, you can incorporate them into your recipes. From salads to desserts, we've got some mouth-watering grape-inspired dishes to share. Grape pairings. Ever wondered what goes well with grapes? We'll explore some delightful pairings, from cheese and wine to chocolate and more. Get ready to elevate your tasting experience. Growing your own grapes. If you're feeling adventurous, we'll also discuss how you can grow your own grapevines. Imagine plucking fresh grapes from your backyard. It's easier than you think. Tasting time. And of course, what would a grape-themed video be without a tasting session? We'll savor the delicious flavors and share our thoughts with you. That's a wrap on our grape adventure today. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey through the world of grapes. If you found this video as grape-tastic as we did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow grape enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. Until next time, keep sipping, crunching, and enjoying the wonderful world of grapes.